Hello everyone, my name is Daria Sergeyeva. I'm a practicing psychologist and today I would like to welcome you at my author course, Special Family Album or Special Family Book. In this course I'm gonna represent you a very special and a very easy way how to make your connection with the baby strong from the very first day of his or her life. But before we start, I would like you to ask yourself a few questions. First one, do you feel happy about your current relationships with your parents? Second one, now when you're an adult, do you have something that you would like to change in your relationships with your parents or in your family? And third one, do you think that sometimes you miss your parents' love? If you're not happy with your answers, this course will be helpful for you. Now, when you grew up and you're ready to bring the new life to your family, or maybe already expecting a baby, you can choose different way of communications with your child and give him or her another, maybe better and healthy life experience. I'm a practicing psychologist and I created simple, affordable and very easy way how to focus on your relationships with the newborn from the first days. This is the Special Family Album or Special Family Book. In this course, we're gonna learn how to create your own family album and how to fill it with some special information and parents' promise. This course consists of theory and practice information how to fill the album from the first day to your baby's sixth birthday. I hope this practice, this album gonna bring so much happy moments to your life and life of your kids, especially when they're gonna be adults. Thank you and see you soon.